Hello guys, welcome to Draw with Sid. And are you doing art as a hobby or even as a profession? This video is for you. So what's the video about? The video is about how to grow as an artist. So let's start our today's video. Right people around you. Yes, it's very important thing. That's why I kept it first. Yeah, choosing right people around you. So there are people who demotivate you. There are people who are jealous of you. There are people who don't find anything in your success. And also there are people who want to just pass your time no matter what other person is doing. So everyone have such people in their life, and you should learn to cut off them, because if you have such people, you can't focus on your skills. What is the side point? So watching the right content. After cutting off the people, you should cut off the content, the wrong content you are watching nowadays, because these things just drain your creativity. Just completely drain your creativity, and then you think, oh no, I'm not creative, I have a creative block. So this is the solution. You should cut off these contents. Yeah, this social media, even you can delete those accounts if you don't need them. Some people just watch funny content or just useless content or just YouTube recommendations. Recommendations which you get after 6 years, after 10 years, after 13 years. Okay, so that's the thing. And you just keep wasting time on that things and you don't do anything. If it's not possible for you to unsubscribe or unfollow the creators which are wasting your time, one thing you can do is to keep two accounts, two social media accounts or even two YouTube accounts, and one account, the one you are using mostly, you should follow or subscribe those content creators which you really need, which are necessary for your growth. And second account, you can follow whoever you want, any content creator. Okay, your favorite one. Third point is you need a judge. What I'm saying? You need a judge. Why? Because I think we can't always judge our mistakes. Like sometimes we don't even understand that there's a mistake in our artwork. Because this happens with me. Sometimes I don't understand that there's a mistake, and then someone else tells me that bro, this is wrong, you should improve this. Okay, so that's important, and you should take it sportingly. Like you shouldn't think like, how can he say to me, I'm working so hard on this artwork, and no, please. So that's the thing. You need a judge. So there's no necessity to have a professional judge. So if you have a professional judge, expert judge, it's too good. Judge can help you to improve your art. They play a really important role to improve your art. That's why people join art classes. That's the reason. Okay, the next point is, fourth point is focusing on your social media. Because you may be thinking, man, he just told us to delete these social media accounts and remove the negativity. But no. I didn't say that. Thing is, you should keep your social media accounts, just unfollow or unsubscribe the ones who are spreading negativity. Okay, so that's the thing. And focusing on social media, keep it clean. What is this? Okay. So social media, your page. Yeah. Your page is your portfolio. You should archive those artworks which you don't like, which you think people may don't like. Okay, people may not like that artwork. Find a niche. Okay, you should find a niche, or else if you are willing to mix all the types of artwork, what you can do is to make a pattern. Like first you will post a watercolor, yeah, then you will post a traditional, sketch, then you can post a digital or again watercolor. So this will become a pattern. Just think, when you visit account, you see the beauty of the account, not just the beauty of the artwork, but also his or her presentation. presenting his account. Presenting the account is the most important thing to get followers. Okay. Nowadays, people are like, people have made Instagram a race. If they don't post one day, they are like, oh, I haven't posted this. What should I do? People will unfollow me. No, that's not the thing. Actually, it's not important to post regularly. You can just post 3 times a week, and that's necessary to be an active Instagram follower. So, am I sounding like the one who always gives the lecture? Okay, no, I don't want to sound like that. So yeah, we will move towards the next point. We will take it a bit fast. So yeah, going towards the next point, help others. So what is meant by helping others? So it's not just about shoutouts, which you always give, I know. Not just shoutouts, but commenting on people's posts, like artist post, sharing that post, and saving that post. That's the important thing. So nowadays, like on everyone's story, I'm just seeing some posts like how to break Instagram's algorithm, and algorithm is just the problem, and yeah, blah blah blah, whatever. Like, I know these things. Even I'm facing such problems, like some shit posts are doing well, and the post we work really hard don't do well, and that's the sad reality of Instagram. So we can't do anything. Even you should constructively criticize them. That's important. Like, not just giving a compliment, but also constructively criticizing them. Even you can do this in their DM, and it's not necessary to tell some things to improve in the comment section. Okay. So the next thing is keep learning even if you are a pro. So that's really important point in this point. So keep learning even if you are a pro. Like you ask any master artist, and he or she will just tell you that I'm still learning. Even if I'm master, I'm still learning. How can you learn? There's a lot more ways to learn nowadays. Like, you can enroll for free courses, not just the one I'm talking about, the Case Arts drawing course. I've done that course. That is really amazing course. The fun course, fun to do, and it focuses on the fundamentals. It is too good. Yeah, and not just that, but there are also many other courses available nowadays, because in this lockdown, the artists are making some free courses. Okay, you can check them out. I have added the link in the description. The next point is invest on yourself. Related to this, invest on yourself. So many people are not willing to pay. It's not the reason that they can't pay, they can't afford. But the thing is, they are not willing to pay. Like, people have in their mind that paying for such things is not necessary. Paying for a degree is necessary, but paying for such creative things is not necessary. Why? I don't understand these things. Like, people are not willing to pay for any such courses. People want such things for free. You can't get everything for free. No, not everything is free in this world. Yes, some things are, but not the things you actually need. You can get it fully. Okay. So it's very important, if you are serious in any field, like not just art but any field, you should ready to pay someone. So I had learned this point from artist Rehan Rahul. Visit his YouTube channel and also his Instagram account. I have added the links in my description. And yeah, he's a Hindi creator. Yeah. And for the English viewers, watch his content even if you don't understand Hindi, because you will learn a lot even if you don't understand the language. And that's the amazing things about his videos, about his skills, about his teaching. So yeah, don't keep tracing, you won't learn anything. Okay, so not everybody does this, but still I want to include this point, because and no offense to the ones, the grid method artists, no, it's not tracing. Okay, grid method is used for commission work. It is used for accuracy, to achieve the accuracy you need actually. Okay, the clients need. So no offense to them, but right? Even digital art or anywhere, if you are tracing, you are on the wrong track. It makes no sense to trace these things. Then what's the point of learning the proportions and all these things if the end point is just tracing out things? No, please don't do these things. I know you're not doing this, but still I want to include this point because it's also the important point. Okay, so that's important. So these were the points, guys. Thank you for watching the video for this long, and I think I haven't bored you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. Do subscribe to channel if you are subscribed, and press the bell icon and like the video and comment down your views below. Yeah, how are these points, and these points will definitely help you